So if you've seen my live video that I did today, I was at Lowe's. Went there specifically to buy succulents and cacti, and I come away with a lot of succulents. They had told me that they were getting in a new shipment today, so I got there right after they had put them out. So I was going to kind of go over what I have here on the table. So this is a Pearl von Nuremberg, a lovely plant. Alex from Windowsill Succulent Garden has these, and his are just gorgeous. I want to propagate these. They're just so pretty. I have a chalk sticks. This is called Narrow. And I have a blue chalk sticks that, you know, they're really blue. But I bought this as a filler. This is a Red Pagoda Cressler. The color. I don't know what this is. It says Echeveria Assorted. I don't think, well, I do think this one is a Black Prince. Then I have another one here that's also just says Assorted. I'm not sure about it. It doesn't look like the other one. So if anyone can tell me what this one is, I would love to know. Just leave it in the comments below. And then this is Variegata, Alpenglow. It's lovely. It's got lovely color. And then we have Echeveria Aphrodite. Beautiful shape, beautiful markings. And I'm always hunting Echeverias because they're very hard to find here. So this one is a Mexican Snowball. This is in a 4.5 inch pot where the others were in 2.5 inch pots. This looks like a very healthy plant, pretty big. Now this one, I was a little concerned. I don't really know what it's doing in the middle here. It almost looks like it's lost leaves, but it hasn't. So I don't know if just where it put on new leaves, but this is a Echeveria Dark Moon. It's a hybrid. Thought it was pretty. And then this one is a Calathea teddy bear. This is the largest one that I've seen out, and I think it's really pretty. I like the Calathea. And if you watch the live video, I showed this one. This is Cressler, Perferrata, Variegata. I haven't got a variegated one. This is just gorgeous. This looks like candy. And then this one, look at this. Look at that. I get so excited. Echeveria nodulosa. Gorgeous plant. And then this is a Echeveria Blue Haze. That does look very blue, greenish blue. And this was the find that I'm just so excited about. Aeonium Kiwi. I have not had an Aeonium Kiwi, and I had not found any around here. Just look at that. Look at that beautiful plant. Look at its colors. It does remind me of a kiwi. They named it well. And then this one is Echeveria Lilac Mist. Look at the height on that plant. I don't see any babies on it, but it's certainly a gorgeous plant. Very healthy looking. And then the largest one I bought was the String of Pearls, Senecio. And I bought this specifically for the larger size bucket. Remember, I have to plant my fountain. I gotta have enough plants. And I never find gallon size or half gallon size plants here. You can in some of the cactus, but you know, you usually don't find any of the other succulents in larger pots here. So I was happy to get this because I can divide it and be able to plant it on the top section of my fountain. Isn't it pretty? Very full, very healthy. So anyway, that's why I'm buying so many. It's not that I need it anymore. I just try to find the ones that I don't have. And as long as they're not, I don't know if you call it copyrighted, or you know, someone doesn't have rights to it to where you can't propagate it, I will like one of each plant so that I at least have some leaves to propagate. Okay, that's my haul for today. Hope you enjoyed this because I sure did. And we'll see you next time on Garden Rudiments. Please like and subscribe.